This video, we are going to look at these problems on page 8 of the slides for chapter 3.1. And each of these involve graphing. So I have set up some graphs. First, we're going to determine the solution set for the inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. So we'll come over here. Got 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. So we're just going to start by saying 2x plus 3y equals 6, and we're going to solve for y, so we can have a linear equation that we can work with. We'll subtract 2x from both sides, which gives us 3y equals negative 2x plus 6, and then we'll divide everything by 3 to get y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Well, if I let these cross points be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That'll work nicely for us. We know that this is going to cross the y-intercept at right here at y equals 2, and we know it's going to slope downwards. It'll go down 2 units for every 3 units it goes to the right. So it'll go through here, the point 0, 3, sorry, 3, 3, 0. It'll go through the point negative 2, 6, 6, negative 2. Getting my stuff backwards. And if we come back this way, it'll go through the point, it'll go through 6, negative 6, right there. Negative 6, 6. There we go. Okay, so we have a greater than or equal to here, which means that the solution set includes the line itself. So we'll just sketch a nice solid line like so. And then everything above that line, because we've got that greater than or equal, everything above that line is going to be a solution. So everything in red plus the line itself, just going around the points that I marked. But there we go. There is our solution set. In our second problem, we're asked to graph x is less than or equal to negative 1. So we'll come back over here. We'll go to our second slide. X is less than or equal to negative 1. Well, the line x equals negative 1, I will make this negative 1. So that line is this solid line, solid vertical line that goes through negative 1 right there. Then I will graph our solution in blue. It is everything in blue plus the line itself. So everything to the right of the line is part of our solution set. Finally, graph x minus 2y is greater than 0. So again, we take our equation, x minus 2y is greater than 0. And I'm going to solve it for x, as for y rather, sorry. So I subtract x from both sides. Negative 2y is greater than negative x. And then I'm going to divide by negative 2. However, remember, when we divide by a negative number, that changes the direction of our inequality. We'll have y is less than x over 2. Okay, so I start with my point. This is going to start at the origin. And then for every 1 we go up, we're going to go right 2. So, and like so. And notice that this does not have the possibility of equality. This is a strict inequality. So the line itself is not part of the solution set. So we make this a dashed line. And then we shade it. We shade below to indicate the solution set. There we go. If you have any questions, get in touch.